Wow, you know what? I that that was a nugget, ladies and gentlemen. If you could just one more time, if you could, if no one's not paying attention, this is powerful, powerful. How to create thy brand, and this. I really did love how you just said that. Can you please say it again, please?
Sure. So it's pretty simple. Find 10 words that describe yourself, who you are. 10 words. Write them down. Then find 10 words that describe what you want to achieve, right? Then you're going to go through each one and eliminate them and see what can cohese together until you come up with something that you like, something that you're in love with, something that says, yes, this is Montez. Yes, this is Louise. Yes, this is Chris. This is Wolfie. You know what I'm saying?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to keep up. Duh. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com.